Hey friends, today we're doing some tool testing. We have two different Ryobi half-inch drill drivers. They may look the same, but they're not. And we have two different Ryobi impact drivers. We're going to be testing these two, Gen 1 versus Gen 2. Let's go. Okay, we have two different impact drivers right here. The first one is the PSBID01 and the other one is the PSBID02. So we're going to see what type of improvements we're getting from this one to this one right here. All right, now looking at the drill drivers, the first model, PSBDD01 versus the PSBDD02. So here's our testing setup. We have this treated 6x6 on some sawhorses, and we're going to run some timber screws in that. So for this test, we have a standard 2x6 right here, just dry lumber, and we have these two brand new spade bits right here, 7/8 in diameter. So they're made for fast, clean wood with a speed tip, less effort, and faster holes. So let's see how they compare on this. All right, it's time to do some Ryobi impact driver testing. So we have these 6-inch wood screws right here. We're going to drive 3 of them in with each one. So I'm going to just take the tags off. So these lag screws require a T40 bit. They lock in real nice. So I'm going to use this setup right here to drive them in. All right, we have the 01 model right here, and we're going to drive 3 in. And all the batteries have been topped off. So let's just go ahead and do the first one. So in my testing, I'm going to just try to push each of them down the same amount, try to give it a decent amount of force. All right, ready? So they go fast. Set, go. All right, there's one. Try to get a little more straight this time. I went faster. Third and final one, here we go. All right, there we go. This must have hit a knot or something down there. All right, now let's switch this out. Go to the next gen version. All right, here's the next one. You can see it's the 02 version right there. All right, here we go. All right, it was going really good, but all of a sudden the last half inch, it really struggled. All right, we'll try this one right here. One, two, three. All right, that was fast. So I'm noticing when I run these lag screws, there's some inconsistencies that it might have to do with the particular grain of the wood, like where it's going in. So what we're gonna do is check the fastest time out of all 3 between the second generation, check the fastest time between the first generation, and see which one wins. I think that's probably a more fair comparison. So now we're gonna go to another test, and that is using the drill drivers. All right, so right here you can see this is the Gen 1 version of the drill driver. We're going to do 3 holes and see how fast this works. Get the fastest hole of the 3, and then we're going to go to the other one. All right, so ready, set. Not bad. All right, Gen 1 did well. So we have the new generation model right here, the 02. Let's give this a try. Ready, set. 1. All right, definitely notice this is faster. So we're going to start off with the results of the impact driver, and just to quickly recap what we did, I drove 3 6-inch lag screws into 6x6 treated lumber, and I took the fastest time of the 3. So on the D01 tool right here, the fastest time was 23.9 seconds. On the D02, the fastest time was 21.7 seconds, so a little better. The difference, 2.2 seconds faster on the Gen 2, and the price difference, if you look at the tool only, which I found online, $35 more for the D02 version. So it's really up to you whether or not you need that little bit extra performance, or would you rather save the money to get similar results, save that 35 bucks. So I'd be curious to hear what you would do. Please leave your comment down below. All right, so on the drill driver right here, what's interesting, on the D01 version, all 3 holes were the same speed, 3.4 seconds. On the D02 version, they were all 2.2 seconds. So the difference, 1.2 second faster to drill it through. So this one, the D02, was faster. And the price difference on this one right here, it's $41 more. So be curious to see if it's worth it to spend $41 more to get that result right there. There's one more thing that I don't think I ever mentioned in this video, is that all 4 tools are brushless. So they're part of the HP series. If you want to find out more about these, check the current price or see the latest reviews on them. I will have some links down below where you can check it out. All right, so I hope you find this video to be interesting, entertaining, and informative. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely appreciate it. So that's it for now, friends. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Hey, I just want to mention, if you're looking for a drill driver with a hammer drill, something that's a little more higher performance, the video on this right here is right there that you can click on. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that button down below, because we got a lot more videos coming out soon. Plus, I try to always keep you informed of all the latest tool announcements by going live every couple weeks.